Thank you, AIKO, for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. AIKO's Yiwu factory left a very strong impression, highly automated, advanced, and very professional. It clearly shows AIKO's strong capability in intelligent manufacturing and high-efficiency back contact technology. Firstly, the technology leadership, especially in high efficiency, partial shading optimization, temperature coefficiency, low degradation compared with TOPCon back contact modules are proven reliability with consistent performance data across different applications. And also professional and responsive support from pre-sales to technical engineering, strong alignment in values, especially in driving clean energy and long-term sustainability. We are proud to develop Malaysia's single-site largest back contact solar plant. This project sets a new benchmark for the industry and support Malaysia's clean energy transition. AIKO high-efficiency back contact modules will help increase energy generations, reduce system losses, and improve LCOE, especially important for a solar plus storage project. Malaysia's solar market is growing fast. Technologies like AIKO will help drive higher efficiency, better project performance, and support the country's green energy goals. We hope to continue working with AIKO on upcoming utility, CNI, and other renewable energy projects, building a long-term strategy partnership. A long-term, high-performance partnership that brings greater clean energy impact to Malaysia.